Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Elktry iPhone USB-C fast charger, MFi Certified, with 20-watt power and 2 ports, PD and QC 3.0 with additional 2-meter USB-C to Lightning cable. Wow, it's a wall charger adapter for our iPhones. All the new ones. That's right. iPhone 13, iPhone 12, iPhone mini, 12 mini maxi, what you like. Then the Pro, the Max versions, the 11 XS, XR, X, iPad Pro, iPad AirPods, and more and more and more. And it comes with 20-watt dual-port fast charging. This Elktry 20-watt dual-port fast power adapter uses the power delivery and quick charge 3.0 to offers the fast, efficient charging. It charged the iPhone 12 up to 50% in only 30 minutes, which is 3 times faster than the original 5-watt charger. The smart chip embedded in the Elktry fast charger can dynamically identify the devices and allocate the corresponding charging speed. It comes with a 2-meter USB-C to Lightning cable, which significantly improves the charging speed for our iPhone series smartphones. And MFi Certified and safety protection. The Elktry iPhone charger is certified by MFi, though there is no not supported reminder while charging. Meanwhile, safety function includes the short circuit protection, over voltage protection, over charge protection, and over current protection. All this protection escort our charging safety, and it will not overheat because of its built-in Weltrend chipset. The Type-C Lightning cable supports 480 megabit per second data transfer rate and can transfer file between iPhone and MacBook, for example. And the dual-port design with the USB-C and USB-A frees us from messy chargers with various interfaces. The Elktry 20-watt fast charger will quickly charge 2 devices at the same time to minimize waiting time. The measurings are really awesome because it is not so big built. This is the appropriate choice for business trips or travels. The USB-C charger to the Lightning cable, even after over 20,000 twists tested, no damage from frequently bending, which is sturdy and durable for daily use. And extraordinary compatibility. This dual-port fast charger is designed for iPhone series 13, 13 mini, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, iPhone 12, 12 mini, 12 Pro, down to 8. And iPad Pro, iPad Air, iPad mini, the devices that do not support PD or QC 3.0 fast charging technology can only be charged at the original charging speed, such as an iPhone 7 or earlier. But it will charge, okay, that's no problem. This PD fast charger can match different safety voltage standards, from 120 volt up to 220, which is a good choice to travel and have the day at the office. Furthermore, the sturdy body has strong performance of anti-slip, anti-drop, and anti-scratch and anti-fingerprint design. The ultra-long 2-meter cable makes us no longer worry about the distance between the phone and the charger, which will definitely become an essential for our home and, of course, for our office, baby. That's really cool, and it comes foreign specialists, which make a big bunch of recharging devices out there. Elktry 20-watt dual-port USB-C fast charger. Wow! For example, 100% you can reach on iPhone in 2 hours and 18 minutes. If you're going to use two devices, for example, an Android device, a Samsung device, a Google device, whatever, with USB-C, 100%, and of course the iPhone, additional, because of two ports, the 100% will come in 4 hours and 20 minutes. So you can see if this device has to share a little bit, it will not gain the super speed. But it's enough, because I think it's better to reload two batteries than one. And we have so nice certified safety. Temperature control, short circuit protection, current stabilization, cell overcharging protection, and input forward voltage protection too. And we have a universal compatibility to the iOS 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and so on. Of course, we can recharge our Nintendo Switch with it. No problem. You can do it. You can do it. A Samsung Note, Samsung Galaxy devices. No problem. You can do it because this is a standard. USB-C is a standard out there. And Elktry can, the smart chip in it, can see what standard your device needs for that recharging process. And then the Elktry iPhone 12 USB-C fast charger can handle the right program. Of course, if you do not have an iPhone or an iPad Air, you will need another cable for it. But included is the cable for the iPhone family with Lightning. So, it's easy. Only dock it in position and then start charging your devices. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.